A very good evening and a warm welcome to everyone who's present with us today. It's a Tuesday, just the beginning of the week, but hum sab ki taraf se thank you very much for being here for this very important topic, which we have been thinking, conceptualizing, and planning for. So today's interesting theme is 10 suggestions for all parents of children with type 1. And this event is being hosted on the Empower T1D platform. I know a lot of you are very familiar with Empower T1D. Every month we have sessions which are focused only on type 1 learning. And what is the speciality of Empower T1D as a platform? Empower T1D was founded by clinicians who had the passion and the focus to really serve the type 1 community. And the idea was to bring scientific sessions and also include lived experience. So, this is a very unique, one of a kind platform where we have sessions which are led by doctors, clinicians from different fields, but always focused on type 1 care. And many a times, or most of the times, these sessions include people who are lived experience champions. The best part about Empower T1D is with us, we have support groups from all over India. And the idea is to build a very inclusive India representation community for type 1 diabetes. Now, today we have our leading founder member, Dr. Manisha Gupta, with us. She will be leading today's session. And as some of you are already familiar with her, she's one of the founding members, but also a very recognized name. She's from Kanpur, and she has been dedicating her time with type 1 care since many years. Along with that, she's our yes woman. Whenever we come up with some topic, some idea to her, she always says, yes, go ahead, we'll do this. So thank you, Dr. Manisha, for joining us, despite it being your OPD hours. And very, very warm welcome to you. Next up, I'm very happy to welcome Dr. Shuchi. Dr. Shuchi is a very recognized name, and she has a solid foundation of type 1 education, not only for herself, but she has been imparting knowledge since last many years. When I first, got onto this journey, I've always been hearing her name, someone who's been there for the community, not only for education, but also hand holding parents. And originally, this idea was conceptualized by Dr. Shuchi, where she said, parents ke liye kuch karte hain. And that's where this session, was discussed and came up. Dr. Shuchi is from Bangalore. She has a lot of, degrees to her credit. Can we have her slide, please?
Yes, ma'am.
So as you all can see, she has, her background with preventive and promotive health. She's a certified CBT practitioner with experience with psychology. She's also done a lot of social work and counseling. Not only is she a diabetes educator, but a storyteller. And the most important part is she has experience with medical writing, stress counseling, and she's herself living with type 1 diabetes. So being an advocate really brings the real time lived experience. And she's conducted more than 300 camps for children with type 1 diabetes. She is very well known for her counseling and hand holding with parents, and she has the education background since last 20 years. I'm sure all of you parents who've joined us today will really enjoy listening to her. Next up, we also have two very interesting panelists with us today. We have Miss Beenu Singh, who's also from Bangalore. I've had the privilege to meet Beenu in person, a wonderful, warm lady, a mother to an incredible type 1 child. Beenu is not only an advocate, but she's a certified diabetes educator for especially for kids and adolescents from ISPE. And her son, Adyant, was diagnosed with T1D in 2015 at the age of 1 year, 10 months. Now, all of you can understand that's such a tender age to deal with type 1 for a child. Beenu has been very strong, yet soft and supportive for the Bangalore community, which she holds with great care and tender love. She's also the co-founder of the support groups for Indian parents with T20 kids, which is known as Diabetes of Karnataka. She's always there whenever Diabetes is hosting a session or a type 1 run, and she's conducted several online sessions as well as meetups. Welcome, Miss Beenu. We're so lucky and happy to have you. We have with us Japinder Gilji from Chandigarh, who is the founder of The Inner Parenting. 2 days back, I was scrolling through social media and I came across this very interesting name saying T1D Aware India. And that's what Japinder has been doing. She's an incredible T1D parent advocate, also a mother to a child living with type 1 diabetes. I had the privilege to meet Japinder last year in December at the tie-up, and she is amazing. She is a certified diabetes educator from ISPE. She's done her master's in pharmacology, health economics, and outcomes research background with 15 plus years in healthcare and parent awareness initiatives. The best thing about these moms is they really want to help the T1D community. They want to see that no other parent goes through the pain of the new diagnosis when you're left alone in this journey. And that's why we are so lucky to have all of you here with us today. Now, handing over to Dr. Shuchi for her presentation, and then stay on with us. Send your questions in the chat box, and we'll discuss more soon.
Hi, very warm good evening. I hope all of you can hear me, all of you can see me. Should I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Parenting with type 1 diabetes. Parenting is a tough job. You must have heard it takes a village to raise a child. And the child with type 1 diabetes is no different. If you go back, I have written with in very capital letters. Do you know why with is so capital? Because here there's an additional responsibility. I'm not saying that all the slides would be all apt for all parents. But when a child is having any condition, not only just diabetes, the things are different for any parent. And about diabetes, आप सब एक मानेंगे कि it is a disorder that remains with us. It is not that. Although the results can be very varied. It can be something which we say that nothing happens and something that there's always a stress. So it is for healthy as well as peaceful life. Although there is no definition of perfect parenting. आपके लिए जो सही है वो दूसरे पेरेंट के लिए ना सही हो. आपके लिए जो गलत है वो शायद दूसरे के लिए सही हो. बच्चे को बहुत ज्यादा प्यार किया तो then you are not like you have spoiled the child. और बच्चे से बहुत strict रहे तो गड़बड़. So there's no definition of perfect parenting. It involves scolding, it involves love, and it involves lots of things. But for others, it is only moments of love, learning, and letting go. But for parents of type 1, it is learning, adapting, and loving through every high and low. All parents would know that when this happens, how their heart beats. Everything, so many thoughts. What would happen? Complications. If that happened, hypo happens. What would be my child? How would he or she survive? Should I send her to school? Should I send her to the trip? But all these are required. A parent may even, and parents are human beings. A parent may forget to write glucose log, but other day teach the child courage the next day. Some parent may be very sad that there's a hypo, but again, in the morning, get ready with another insulin dose because insulin is essential. It's not the perfection, it is the presence. Because each high and low would do nothing. I have here with Dr. Manisha also. Every high and low does not make anything. With my lived experience of 36, I can say your action, your constant effort, and your parents' act of care, your shared moment of resilience, which passes from yourself to your child, builds a child that is not defined by diabetes. And we have Binuji and Japinder, they will agree with me. Diabetes affects parents in multiple ways. Their physical needs, financial, because everything is a cost. From toddlers to adults, there's always a question which responsibility to take ourselves and which to give to them. There are multiple types of parenting: authoritarian, permissive, uninvolved, or authoritative. Which is the best type? And believe me, diabetes is no different. Authoritarian parent, which you are the deciding factor, but you have still lots of warmth, lots of care, lots of justice, but you hear what your child says, but you understand what are the needs of the age. All is the best type, even in type 1 diabetes, like other children. Children with diabetes are no different. Parental behavior versus words. If someone has attended my counseling sessions, I always say children are good observers, not good listeners. They are looking. Actually, the toughest part of parenting is that those little eyes are always looking at you. If you are saying, please be quiet, and shouting at that, they're looking that this person, male or female, father or mother, uncle or aunt, is saying me that please be quiet, look how loud he or she is. Guilt of parents, guilt of siblings. Apart from that, there are so many psychosocial impacts also. For especially for single parents, joint families where there are many children, along with that, this children with type 1 diabetes, parents also feel the shock. Working mom, although working mom is an addition, but moms go into the guilt thing. And it is very important to understand that even families without diabetes do face problems, and diabetes is not responsible for all of your problems and all of the things that happen. Oh, sorry. Hmm. So all these things needs to be thing. But it's very important to understand that most has hand. I'm not sure why it happened. It is very important to understand that most toughest and happiest and children are from happiest and resilient parents. Now, one second, I think there is some problem. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, I don't know why it was hanged. Sorry. So, are raised by strongest parents. Now, parents, adolescents, young adults. Very small children may not go through all these processes, but almost all parents, when their child is diagnosed with type 1 diabetes, go through these 5 stages of grief. Denial. This can't be diabetes. My child must be was eating too much sugar. The sugars must be high because of that. Oh, I know that he or she is not following healthy diet. Hope it's a mistake. There must be some problem. I have seen parents even blaming doctors, hospitals, that there is some wrong in their tests. Then anger. Why my child? I have done nothing wrong. Why it has happened to me? Why my child is suffering? Bargaining. If I do everything right, then the things would be fine. Let me follow that diet. Let us leave all rice. Let us leave all sweets. There would be something. There would be some cure. Life would, and then there's a stage when a parent understands that life will never be same. But here is the light that diabetes is still a manageable disorder. I always ask, there are two options in diabetes. Either you keep the power in your hand or give the power to diabetes. Whom do you want to keep power with? And mostly people say, I want to keep power with ourselves. And then they realize that they can handle it. It's a new normal, like in Corona, there was a new normal. There is a hope, there is lots of good things happening. Child can do whatever they want. They will study normal, they will get married, they will have children. And now we have so many lived examples where people have lived a long, healthy lives. So it's not that children with type 1 diabetes will not grow into adults, and it's not true that they will not live full lives. They will live full lives. But still, we all are human beings. So there's some common mistakes. Denial of diagnosis is something else. It especially happens when your child is diagnosed between 15 to 25. Type 1 can occur to adults also. So someone would say, get this test done after you took insulin, and then there's another person who would say, get this test done. It may be type 2, whether it's a type 1, type 2, don't go into such reasons. After a certain stage, everyone requires insulin. If the insulin, and the best part of insulin is, if you give overdose, it causes hypo. So you will know that if that insulin is more or less, or if insulin is coming down. But earlier, the denial of diagnosis was like in 2 decades back, that child cannot have diabetes. Now the denial of diagnosis, it must not be type 1, it is type 2. So it would be reversible by lifestyle changes. We will do something, we will follow healthy lifestyle. Type 1 is neither caused by lifestyle disorders, and type 1 is with us. But the best part is it is manageable. Overprotecting the child. Oh, my child should not feel bad. I should give everything to the child. Separate food, separate dishes, not sending the child to school trip, fearing from every hypo and hyper, lots of things, poor communication, both ways, not especially for the child. We have Binuji, and we like to know how the child is told, because children understand a lot. Even 1.5-year-old child understands that there is some condition. And believe me, when after that weakness, when the sugar can't reach the cells and the diabetes is diagnosed, when insulin is taken, the energy itself speaks that, okay, now I can live. But when we don't talk to children about what they have in subtle way or with the family, then it creates lots of problems. Neglecting emotions, your own emotions and even your child. It's not that emotions are only affected when the child is diagnosed. For example, when the child is small, there may have been less emotion. But when the child becomes a teenager, they have some memories of incomplete information which they carried from the diagnosis till now. And now they're able to understand. And then there can be also teenagers itself is a different era where people need, or children and adolescents need counseling. So we need counseling for sometimes parents as well as children, adolescents, or even adults at different phases of life. Hiding the diagnosis, keeping it as a secret. Although this has come down drastically in past 2 decades, but still I see people hide it. But believe me, we hide only those things in which we are not comfortable. I'm not saying get and tell everyone, but as we get closer, as things move, the diagnosis needs to be told to whoever comes in the picture of your life. Inconsistent treatment, skipping medicines and therapy. Type 1 requires a constant therapy. Neglecting self-care. This is also one crucial aspect. Parental burnout, but parental neglect for their care. Because again, children are good observers, not good listeners. We are saying, tell Bacha, do exercise. Bacha, you need to eat healthy. And we are not getting up for exercise. And we are not doing our exercise. They are not going to listen. Not informing school. Parenting also involves long-term planning, whether it is a child without diabetes or child with diabetes. But with child with diabetes, long-term planning is essential because children need to be independent, children need to be standing on their feet, but long-term planning is also essential to have mental peace. And one of the very important aspect is avoiding exports. Even if you know everything about type 1, it is essential to visit your doctor. If you need if you need diet help, you need to go to the dietitian, you need diabetes educator, you need mental health support professionals if you need it. I'm not saying that everyone needs it, but we all need professional guidance when needed. And that will create a balanced care for your child and yourself. I'm again saying that some solution from this session may not be applicable to all. This cartoon has been taken by British Medical Journal, which depicts that how the complexity of managing diabetes has multiple aspects. And a parent needs to manage all these things, or a person needs to manage all the things along with their job. So it is basically balancing their reassurance and scarepun. But believe me, when science, spirituality, and wisdom meet, magnificent things happen. So these are 10 suggestions. Stay informed, not overwhelmed. I'm very much sure you all want to learn more, but learn about the condition from credible sources. Internet, every person who says cure is coming, please don't believe. मैं यहाँ थोड़ी थोड़ी स्टोरीज भी ऐड करूंगी जो रियल लाइफ स्टोरीज हैं. I'll not add those things that I have not seen, but I will tell you how these things can make big differences. Balanced medical facts are very important. No information overload. Slowly and slowly you would know. Don't tell children about complications. This would happen to you. I have seen children. I met a child who was crying very bitterly in front of me when they came to me. I said, why don't you want to go to the doctor? Why don't you want to take insulin? And after a long time, around 30 minutes it took, and then he told me, doctor said that I will have kidney failure and then I will die. So I am not going to the doctor. Then I told about myself. Look, nothing of that sort would happen. And I'll make you meet more uncle and aunties who have lived even more longer than your mummy and papa. Then the child was a little bit calm. So sometimes information overload, especially in front of kids, can be disastrous. Accept highs and lows with grace. Kitni zyada sugar. Yes, your sugar is slightly high. Let's take the correction dose. Which statement do you feel is correct? Take medically balanced decision. Avoid fat diets or unverified cues. It's very difficult. I have seen ill effects of these also. Then children become very rebellious that I couldn't follow the diet. That's why I have to take insulin. So there's no connection with insulin. Or I'll eat everything and take as much as insulin and gain weight. Both are dangerous. Be mindful, but do not stop learning in action. Action is equally important. The father of diabetology, Dr. Jocelyn, said that a person with diabetes who knows most about their condition lives the longest. So not only stay informed, but also teach your child, but from credible source. Cultivate mindfulness and acceptance. Do not feel guilty that you are responsible for the diagnosis. I've seen very frequently parents telling each other in hush hush tone. हमारी फैमिली में कोई नहीं है, इसकी फैमिली में हुआ. When you are parent, then you are one family. Her parents or his parents, both are the family. If that is there is, you can't say when you say something like that, you actually are creating an insecure environment for your child. Accept that some days will be harder, some days will be difficult, but peace grows from flexibility, acceptability, not perfection. Although things have moved drastically, if for one thing I would say in this whole journey of my living with diabetes that has made things much better is CGMS. So technology like CGMS, better insulin diabetes is a manageable disorder. Work for gaining right knowledge, technology, and support. It is very much essential. As I was saying, that open communication is very important. Open communication with the child, open communication with the child, within the family, but calm, non-judgmental language. Look, sometimes parents says that when they went to the school said denied the admission. But I personally feel when we are not sure that my child is safe, we reflect the same emotions towards the uh, teachers or the school authorities. मैम मेरे बच्चे को कुछ होना नहीं चाहिए, मेरे बच्चे को डायबिटीज है, or ma'am, my child have type 1 diabetes, but he or she is able to manage it beautifully. I'll request a little support from you. Do think which model or which language is better. Do not shy away to say no to unscientific and unregulated advice. Please go. There is a yoga champion who will cure diabetes. Yoga is good, but type 1 diabetes is manageable disorder. Till now, if there would be cure, who can hide it? In this era, no one can hide it. But again, excessive restrictions can hinder the child's independence and confidence. Let child be child first, and diabetes should come second. One day, high blood sugar level will not create a problem, but the restrictions would. मेरे पास एक बच्चा था बहुत साल पहले. Now he is very successful in corporate world. The mother said, "I'll not allow you to go to birthday party." And he was newly diagnosed. That day, and that time we didn't have CGMS. That day, his pre-dinner was, I still remember, in some 350 around. And the mother called that the child has never eaten outside, but why the sugar is high? I said, today you made your child realize that your child is sick. Don't let your child feel that they are sick. Prioritize self-care without guilt. Children are very good observers. Caring for yourself sustains your ability to care for your child. That's again from one of my child whose diary was revealed after the child went to the hostel, and in that diary it was written, मेरी डायबिटीज से अगर सबसे ज्यादा किसी को फर्क पड़ा तो वो मेरी मम्मा का था. वो एक हफ्ते में old ho gayi. So sometimes we leave all the basic things, going to beauty parlor, going to exercise, going to job. Please don't do that. You need, but basically 1 week when you are in a hospital, then the things are, but as soon as come to the normal routine, overlooking your own emotional well-being can increase stress and anxiety for the child. We don't understand, but they are good observers. Schedule small daily rituals, a walk, a journaling, or a quiet tea time. Encourage independence in your child. Integrate glucose checks and insulin routines naturally into daily activities. Treat them as regular habits, not interruptions. This helps your child feel normal. Even a toddler can be asked, which finger do you want to for pricking blood sugar levels, or which side of the arm should I put sensors? Don't make it like a battlefield when 4 adults are holding and you're putting CGMs. Teach age-appropriate self-management skills. Let them enjoy school trips, birthday parties, social endeavors. Independent builds self-esteem and reduces anxiety for both parent and child. Create a strong supportive ecosystem. I personally feel that asking for support is the biggest strength a person has. So please ask for support when needed. But give support too. We need to give support, we need to ask for support, and that is what society is. Build a trusting relationship with your diabetes care team. Seek professional and peer support. Involve teachers, relatives, and friends in caregiving routines. A shared network reduces isolation and brings resilience. Nurture your identity beyond caregiving. Do continue with your work and hobbies. Work will give you finances. Diabetes is an expensive disorder. And do not be only giver. Ask your child to fulfill their tasks as a child regarding home, studies, and health. Look, every home situation is different. If you are a if you are a family where you do all your household chores yourself, then all of your children should do one core. If you are a family who, like your both the partners are working, let your child help you in creating a meal or doing something. But children should do their tasks. And very important, many parents say, बच्चा बीमार है कैसे पढ़ पाएगा? बीमार नहीं है, and diabetes is a physiological disorder, not a psychological disorder where the like it's not a psychological is a wrong also wrong word. It is not disorder in which the child can't study. We have doctors, engineers, lawyers, models, cricketers, everyone with type 1 diabetes. A fulfilled parent inspires, and even other jobs are not bad. Beauticians, superintendents, teachers. So I mean to say from all eras, a fulfilled parent inspires confidence and independence in the child. Seek professional and peer support. Relying solely on the internet can lead to misinformation. If things go overwhelming, do not be afraid to get professional support, especially for mental counseling. Avoid. Don't. Join parents group, join counseling sessions, shared experiences, normalize emotions, offer practical coping strategies. Very important thing. Do not compare yourself or your child with other children. I constantly hear this sentence. Look, that child can monitor blood sugar levels. Why can't my child? Look, I can say her or his parents were strong. You are not. You will feel bad. So don't compare, but create a benchmark. Within next 1 month, this one thing I'll teach my child. By next 6 months, I'll let my child take decisions in these things, even if he or she goes wrong. Hardly matters. One or two mistakes will not change the world. Practice gratitude and compassion. That's my favorite. Thank you, insulin. Every time I take insulin, it is thank you, because it's because of insulin that we are here. Keep a gratitude journal or share daily positivities at dinner. Compassion softens the emotional weight of chronic illness. Celebrate small victories, acknowledge progress, a stable reading, a confident school day, a smile. These moments remind you that healing is a journey, not a destination. In context of type 1 diabetes, following the mid path means balancing care and independence, teaching responsibility without with care, balancing vigilance and trust, monitoring health without creating fear, balancing self-care and caregiving, nurturing your own emotional strength so your child learns by example, balancing expectations and planning, preparing wisely without catastrophizing, staying realistic yet hopeful. Children and adolescents living with diabetes can live long, healthy, successful lives, and you will be proud of them. And believe me, this is possible. Thank you so much, and you can contact me anytime you need me. Thank you. Over to you, Dr. Manish.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Suchi. It was really an emotional, full of sentiments, and in fact, with science, with emotions, and it's a mixture of everything. Thank you. Thank you for a very mesmerizing presentation, I would say. I heard everything. Every single slide was impressive and full of content. So with this, I would like to invite our two panelists for today's session. Can we have a spotlight on them as well? Ms. Beenu and Ms. Japinder Gill. So let four of us come in the spotlight, and we can have our panel discussion in this regard. So how to go ahead with a good parent in terms of how do they manage when their child was diagnosed with type 1. So my first question is to Japinder. I heard you obviously during the tie-up, and when it was diagnosed. Now these days, like family dynamics, everybody's like they're culturally different, ethnicity is different. They have their own way of understanding diabetes, and not everybody is very well versed with or acceptance with diagnosis of diabetes, along with insulin. Insulin is still a challenge. So how did you manage, with your family ethnicity, being in Punjab? कैसा रहा ये सफर कि कैसे मैनेज किया पूरी फैमिली को?
So yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Manisha, because ये वो चीज़ है जो and thanks to Dr. Suchi, उन्होंने बहुत beautifully एक चीज़ cover की थी, and I think that was when science, spirituality and wisdom meets, right? तो ये चीज़ आपको बहुत help करती है, especially when you are in the lowest point of your life, and type 1 diagnosis come as a 360-degree turn. So I was blessed enough with the grace of God that I was knowing what type 1 diabetes is, being into medical field. Now coming on to कि family को नहीं पता था, and sometimes you get such a, I would use कि blunt statements आती हैं आपके पास, आप already परेशान हो, आपको बोला जा, for me it was like doctor just उन्होंने CGM घुमा दिया था मेरी तरफ, because he was knowing कि इसको पता है. And second dialogue was, अब आपकी बेटी जिंदगी भर इंसुलिन पे रहेगी. And when that dialogue came, my husband, उनका BP drop हुआ सबसे पहले. I was holding 2-year-old in my lap. My elder one was rushed to ICU on stretcher, and my husband was on sofa with low BP. And I was standing there in the hospital and thinking कि हुआ क्या? Like you are, आपका career बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, आप सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, extra, and suddenly your life shattered. And what happens? So सबसे पहले आप call करते हो, right? चलो सबको stabilize किया, सबको बताया. So my own father said, अरे तो क्या हो गया? Why are you crying? So okay, I thought okay, if he would have known better, he would have done better. So वो जो internal dialogue था, मैंने कहा okay चलो कोई बात नहीं, आप hospital आ जाओ, ठीक है. Second call, I have to inform my office. So I called my GL, Rumchum, Evelyn has been diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. So Rumchum बोला take a deep breath. I was blessed, fortunate enough to have. So बोला जपिंदर, diabetes है, cancer नहीं है, संभाल लेंगे. And that dialogue shift something inside me. मैंने कहा yeah, cancer नहीं है, type 1 diabetes है, संभाल लेंगे. Then my in-laws came, and the first question to me was, अब क्या करेगी अपनी job का? I was like, let her come out of ICU. 48-72 hours doctor ने हमें बोल दिया she can go into coma or complete vision loss. She's just 6 years old. And in that spirituality it tapped in, because मेरे को खुद को, so that entire thing, the dots get, because I was working to support a lot of mothers into emotional health from since 2018 in my corporate careers as Joy of Parenting. So all that helped me to help my own self. But definitely आप shattered होते हो. Thing is to tell them autoimmune है, insulin देना पड़ेगा. You have to be firm on those decisions, because वो कलौंजी, कड़वा बादाम, वो आयुर्वेदिक, वो होम्योपैथिक, वो सब suggestions आएंगे आपके पास. Yes. So my first thing for my own self was, आप जहाँ पे भी हैं, please next 3 months don't visit my home and don't come with वो बेचारगी. It's just a situation. Give us 3 months. आपको जो इसके लिए प्रे करना, अपने घर पे बैठ के प्रे करिए. मेरे घर पे रोना धोना मत करने आइए, please. With all the due respect, with the folded hands, I called everybody. So that which you have the wisdom, but आप joint family में ऐसा नहीं कर सकते, right? So that was a situation where I was able to do, and with the fold, and also they knew कि चलो medical field से है, तो बोल रही है तो संभाल लेगी, कर लेगी अपने आप, कुछ तो करेगी. But then it was on you. So I think you being in that state, and ये जो डॉक्टर सुची ने बड़ा ब्यूटीफुली शेयर किया था कि हम सारे पेरेंट्स एक डिनाइल, एंगर, बार्गेनिंग और डिप्रेशन फेज से फिर एक एक्सेप्टेंस का फेज आता है. तो for me being into this thing, because 2021 में I was fortunate enough to get a US के लिए project आया था कि कैसे हम type 1 diabetes के test को उनकी battery of test में डाल दें, right, for the US population. So I was fortunate enough from the India team to do that project for them. But when 2023 my daughter got that, I was what I was doing. यहाँ पे तो ground reality लोगों को type 1 type 2 पता ही नहीं है. And I just told to God in that day ICU, इसको बाहर ले आओ till my last breath. जितनी भी कहीं से मुझे चीजें मिलेंगी, I will pass it on to every parent. So I surrender to you, but bring her out of the ICU, and I'm ready to serve whatever it will take to serve T1D community. So not easy, but yeah, you have to handle yourself. And ये जो denial से मेरे husband के लिए was very tough. So I allowed that night we both sat outside the ICU. मैंने उनको बोला रोना है रो लो, बोलना है बोलो, but I asked the right questions. क्या डरा रहा है, क्या डरा रहा है. So that acceptance mode for us came within 3 to 4 days. Within 3 to 4, I was just waiting कि कब ICU का gate खुले. How my daughter will take it now? How will I convey what has happened, that we are going with the injection home? हम यहाँ छोड़ के नहीं जा रहे हैं. And to my surprise, I'll just take, because उसने मुझे बाहर आते, I was just hopeful कि जब Evelyn के लिए door खुलेगा for the ICU, how I will face my own daughter, and how will I tell? So door open हुआ, she refused. I will not pee on the bed. मैं बाहर जाके करके आऊंगी. एंड इसके पापा भागे उसको उठाने के लिए, तो उसने पापा को दूर से रोक दिया. मैं वहीं खड़ी थी, मेरे में हिम्मत नहीं थी. मुझे आई वॉज प्रोसेसिंग व्हाट आई विल टेल एवलिन, बिकॉज शी विल आस्क मम्मा क्या हुआ है. सो उसने अपने पापा को दूर से रोक दिया. पापा चल सकती हूँ, गिरी नहीं हूँ, जब गिरूंगी तब उठाना, साथ में चल सकते हो वॉशरूम. एंड बाय जस्ट हियरिंग द डायलॉग फ्रॉम एवलिन, हमने कहा, देन आई टुक अ डीप ब्रेथ. अगर ये इतना कह सकती है डिस्पाइट ऑफ सो मेनी थिंग्स अराउंड हर, then I'll be able to manage. So I think that entire family thing which holds you together helps you to manage it better. That is what I would say. I mean, that was how we managed and handled that trauma which come and which change your life forever.
I think आपका जो medical background था, तो उसने बहुत मदद की होगी इसमें. So you could able to take it. इसके साथ बीनू, जब आपकी बच्चे को जब ये डायग्नोज हुआ, तो उसमें आई वाज जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू योर सीवी, तो उसमें डायग्नोज एट द एज ऑफ 1.9 ईयर्स, तो बहुत बहुत टफ होता है. मतलब हम फिजिशियंस के लिए ये कहना कि आप इंसुलिन लगाइए, लेकिन एक बच्चे को 4 प्रिक्स बेसल बोलस पे डालना इट्स अ टास्क, और छोटे बच्चों के साथ इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. They tend to eat whatever. So how was your journey so far?
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Manisha, for having me. So it was totally different what Japinder have told you. So she was from medical field. तो मतलब मेरे लिए बिल्कुल different journey रही है. I was from arts background, not from science even. So no one was even type 2 in our family. I was not even aware of like normal range of blood sugar. Today I am here, but yes, that time I was not aware of the normal range of BG what non-T1Ds have, non-diabetic people have. So it was a long journey for me. And as Dr. Shuchi also know, parenting itself is a challenging job. So it was very difficult for with small kid to diagnose and to accept the diagnosis of T1D. So initial, I have been lucky from the family side, and like my husband took over that initial phase of giving shots and checking blood sugars, and it was really a tough journey. Then slowly I took over to myself. He started going to office, and then the family part was also supportive in a way. That helped me a lot to cope up with that. So that was my journey. And 1 year 10 months, it was really difficult, as you told, while eating. Like, you can't make kid understand what is going on. So every shot he used to run around here, there. So we have to think about that what best we can do to make him understand that how to take insulin? So initially we used to like act to take everyone in the family, that it is necessary for everyone. So we used to act as a family that it is insulin time before eating for everyone.
Oh,
Now it is your time to take insulin. So he was like that everyone is taking, so it is not new for me. So I have an elder daughter too. So she was that time she was 7, 8 years old. So she was also in that phase of not understanding too much, but I have to take care of that also. So sometimes, yes, it was upside down, life turned upside down for entire family. But there are ways, as Shuchi ma'am told, there are ways we have to seek help where you want to go for help, and don't hesitate to take that help, whether it is professional help or family help. So it helps a lot to
absolutely.
cope.
So this is what the entire community is for. कि आप नई नई चीजें सीखो, हमेशा नया मैनेजमेंट है, नए एडवांसेस हैं, नई स्क्रीनिंग है, नया people are talking about going off insulin these days. तो वो हमेशा एडवांसेस होते रहते हैं. In fact, from emotional aspect also, तो अगर हम इसमें टेक्नोलॉजी में भी देखें तो learning technology and becoming tech savvy itself is a challenge. स्पेशली अगर जपिंदर की बात करें तो शी इज फ्रॉम मेडिकल और आप आर्ट्स वाले बैकग्राउंड से, तो आपको तो थोड़ा सा चैलेंज होता है, लेकिन सब सीख जाते हैं. टाइम टीचेस यू एवरीथिंग. टाइम इज द बिगेस्ट हीलर. सो जब टेक्नोलॉजी की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो लाइक पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट CGM और इंसुलिन पंप्स एंड ऑल दैट. सो हाउ डिड यू बिगिन योर जर्नी कि बच्चा इतना नन्हा बच्चा तो कुछ भी हर चीज मुंह में डालता है, तो हर चीज वो निकालेगा, फेंकेगा, स्कूल जाएगा, बाकी बच्चे होंगे. तो प्लस टेक्नोलॉजी इज एट टाइम एग्जॉस्टिंग ऑल्सो कि एवरी टाइम यू आर गोइंग बिहाइंड द नंबर्स, एंड एट टाइम इज हेल्पफुल. Sometimes you're overcorrecting, sometimes you're undercorrecting, sometimes it's like, how to handle the, it is like anxiety also कि भाई अब क्या होगा, ये खिला दिया, अब क्या होगा, अब इसमें क्या नंबर आएगा. So at times it's helpful. So how do you address these ups and downs with your child in terms of
Yes.
technology?
Yeah, when
It's for the
it
both
was
of the Jabinder and Binu.
yeah,
So yeah,
I'll
Binu, you were
take
saying,
first.
yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. So when he was diagnosed in 2015, there were no CGMs that time. So I was pricking as he was very small, even 10 times a day also, because of fear of hypo. So then after 6-7 months, LibrePro was introduced. So I have been lucky in a very good city, or you can say I got in touch a very good doctor. Endo, our Endo is really that was also a blessing from day one. How she taught us and how she made us learn. So she introduced this LibrePro for us after 5-6 months of diagnosis. So again, many parents I come to know that, and I got to know that they are very hesitant to put these things. But we were like pricking 10 times, 12 times a day. For such a small kid, it was very difficult and painful also for as a parent. And I would say CGM was a game changer for us. So we were very open to put on the first day only when doctor told us. So again, it was very game changer. And yeah, as you told, that it can be misleading also. Don't overdo anything. If you overcheck and you do overdo of anything, excess of anything is bad, not only the technology. So yeah, use mindful usefulness of anything that helps a lot.
Japinder, your experience?
So yeah, for me, the experience was as she was diagnosed in 2023, so CGM was already into place. I was knowing, so मेरे केस में तो ऐसा था कि डॉक्टर ने बोला कोई बात नहीं, 1 महीने बाद लगाएंगे. तो मैं और मेरे हस्बैंड बैठे थे, मैंने कहा इसको हॉस्पिटल से डिस्चार्ज हो जाएगा कल, because in which hospital we were, so the ped endo was not there. So ped endo was online consultation, and the ped endo told that either I will visit next month यहाँ पे, या फिर she was in Kurukshetra. So just we brought her home from ICU. मैंने कहा हम कुरुक्षेत्र जा रहे हैं. Because the first thing, how can we make it easy? Because every time pricking is again, because my younger one was 2 years, तो उसको लगता था कि जब ये कर रहे हैं तो इसको पेन हो रहा है. So he sometime went into, एक बार इंजेक्शन दे रहे थे, so she started shouting, मुझे नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए. वो इतनी दूर बैठा था, he just jumped and grabbed the injection from my throat. दीदी को नहीं चाहिए. उसको लगा कि ये तो उसको टॉर्चर कर रहे हैं. मैंने कहा ये तो बड़ा So I and my husband decided we will all the way go to Kurukshetra. 1.5-2 घंटे का जर्नी था. That we have to go and get this thing done. So now, as you said, because CGM के साथ भी now we follow 80-20 rule at home. 80% टाइम रेंज में हो जाए बहुत अच्छा है पूरे दिन में. एंड इफ आई स्टार्ट टू पैनिक, हाय इतना कैसे बढ़ गया, तो माय डॉटर विल से, नहीं देखो ना ये वाला तो अच्छा आ रहा है ना, पहले तो अच्छा था. Then the younger one also slowly start to read stable arrow, so we all as a family start to use it at not. And if someone from us is checking again and again, 10 minute देना पड़ेगा. Hypo treatment दिया. First is don't rely completely, check it with the glucometer, right? Extreme highs and extreme lows, that is the thing you have to check on the glucometer. There is no negotiation in that. We have to means we have to. So we check it. And then everybody reads. Now, if I'm sitting in this session right now, they know कि CGM पर है. अगर arrow का ज़्यादा आएगा तो we'll just shout from outside, "Mama, arrow नीचे जा रहा है या arrow ऊपर जा रहा है?" And then so very small things we used to. तो इसके बारे में सबको पता है कि like keeping this 5 gram का sugar sachet, because I think in the panic mode CGM comes as game changer, especially आपके night times जो आपको 2 बजे चेक करना है, 3 बजे चेक करना है, because that keeps you awake entire night. And with CGM coming into picture, you have the alarms. Now they're advanced, like Libre 2, you have alarms in that. So having that range set, like at 90, कि 90 में भी अगर आपको पता लग जाए lower side पे जा रहा है, तो you can give something so that they disturb your sleep and the child's sleep is not disturbed. Then at 190, so using the technology with all the knowledge which you are getting from the, all the doctors we got in IDLE program and a lot of things. So implementing one thing at a time and also educating child how to talk about CGM outside. लोग पूछते हैं, छोटे बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं, तो मेरा पहला था कि जब इसको स्कूल जाना है, so I prepared her, how will you answer? People will ask you, people will touch it, because वो बच्चे curious हैं कि हमारे पास तो ये नहीं है, तेरे पास क्यों है, क्या तेरे कोई सुपर पावर है? Then the reader, कि तेरे पास मोबाइल है. So I prepared her with all the right answers. ठीक है, तो sometimes kids start to poke in the class, like एक बच्चा आएगा वो रोज परेशान करेगा, तो I have told her, अगर कोई एक बार पूछे क्यूरियस है, 2 बार पूछे क्यूरियस है, 3 बार भी आंसर देना, पेशेंटली काम से आंसर देना, 4थी बार कोई पूछे तो बेटे कोई बात नहीं अगर आंसर नहीं भी दोगे, बिकॉज आपने एक बार समझा दिया. सो वन डे दैट हैपेंड एंड शी टोल्ड, मम्मा आज उसने मुझे 4 बार पूछा तो आपका फेस मेरे सामने आया कि मम्मा ने बोला कोई बात नहीं आंसर देना जरूरी नहीं है. 4थी बार भी. So we work step by step कि पहले में इसको CGM बताना है, how it is helping, फिर उसको धीरे धीरे carbs बताने हैं, फिर उसको, so now she is practicing the calculations. So the CGM is really helping. So it is a game kind of कि देखते हैं ये food खाने से क्या होगा. So make it like a game for them so that they also tell us. So like a family ritual we are practicing it. So that really helps, and I advise every parent. But it's not easy to convince every parent to get it, despite of they can afford it. But the anxiety of especially that जब आप लगाते हो तो आपका मन करता है हर 2 मिनट में देख लूं क्या हो रहा है, हर 2 मिनट में देख लूं क्या हो रहा है, 2 मिनट में देख लूं क्या हो रहा है. सो वो 2 दिन एंग्जाइटी की अगर आप किसी कम्युनिटी में किसी एजुकेटर किसी डॉक्टर के साथ हो ना, और आपको बोलते कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, 2 दिन निकल जाएंगे तो तीसरे दिन तक पेरेंट नॉर्मल हो जाते हैं. But if you're not there with them, that 2 days it becomes they will never use it again. कि इससे तो भाई परेशानी
आधे घंटे की शुगर्स अपडेट होती थी पहले कि हाँ ठीक है. So I used to tell them, no, wait for 2 hours, let the food get absorbed and then you should test it further. So I was just liking the sachet कि वो sachets हैं, so that's for the child. क्योंकि hypoglycemia में there is a rule of 15. So I'm coming to Dr. Suchi in this regard कि there's a rule of 15 is not applicable for the children. आप इतना ग्लूकोज बच्चे को नहीं देंगे क्योंकि the child will go into overcorrection. So Dr. Suchi, how do you manage with this and what advice do you really give in this case of hypoglycemia? And second question in this कि इतना बच्चे wants to try with many diets, fat diets available, ye kha lo, food is available on Swiggy, and so how do you address this? These 2 questions for you.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर मनीषा। पहले मैं जब जपिंदर और बीनू बोल रहे थे, आई लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट देम। बस एक लाइन ऐड करना चाहूंगी, लुक व्हाट वी कांट मैनेज व्हाट वी कांट मेजर, तो मेजर तो करना पड़ेगा, चाहे थॉट्स हैं चाहे शुगर है, ये गेम ही मॉनिटरिंग की है। पर जैसा कि बीनू जी ने कहा, ओवर डोज इज रॉन्ग। सो फियर ऑफ हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया इज अ वेरी रियल फियर। और जो आपका क्वेश्चन रहा कि रूल ऑफ 15, हम जैसे कहते हैं कि बच्चा 6 साल 7 साल से छोटा है तो 5 ग्राम, 7 to 12 13 है तो 10 ग्राम, अबव एडोलेसेंस है तो 15 ग्राम। तो इट इज देयर, बट प्रॉब्लम वहां तक सिर्फ होती तो शायद मैं फिर भी एक चार्ट बनाकर हम हर जगह पोस्ट कर देते हैं। They will use anything, sweets, chocolates, मिठाई for hypo. So one request, सारे स्वीट्स बंद मत करो। स्वीट्स आर अ गुड रिवॉर्ड फॉर, लाइक आप खेल रहे हैं, आपकी शुगर्स 90 to 110 है और आपने आगे भी खेलना है, तो वन स्मॉल पीस ऑफ चॉकलेट विल डू वंडर्स, वन कप ऑफ आइसक्रीम वुड डू ब्यूटिफुली वर्क। सो रिवॉर्ड्स जरूरी है, बट हाइपो का रिवॉर्ड नहीं, हाइपो का ट्रीटमेंट होना चाहिए। सो डू रिमेम्बर, हाइपो इज अ कंडीशन। और ये मेरा पर्सनल स्टेटमेंट है, इसके लिए अगर डॉक्टर्स भी, प्लीज डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ एवरी हाइपो, कुछ नहीं होता, बंदे की सर्वाइव करने की कैपेसिटी होती है। वी हैव लिव्ड फ्रॉम दैट एरा जिसमें हमने कन्वर्ज, लाइक आई हैड गॉट माय लाइक कन्वर्जन्स आल्सो। आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट इट्स वेरी गुड अगेन, बट एक हल्का सा 70 से नीचे 65 गया और बच्चा थोड़ा सा घबरा रहा है, उसको बस ग्लूकोज का वाटर दो, ठीक हो जाएगा। अगर बहुत बच्चे छोटे हैं तो ग्लूकागॉन रख लो। सीजीएमएस के साथ अगर आप विजिलेंट हैं तो आप हाइपो को बहुत अच्छे से प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं। बट प्लीज 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 डोंट फियर। अगेन फ्रॉम स्पिरिचुअलिटी देयर इज वन लाइन, निर्भव निर्वैर। सो प्लीज, आई एम नॉट फियरफुल ऑफ फॉर मी, आई एम नॉट फियरफुल ऑफ हाइपो। हाइपो होंगे अगर आपके शुगर्स 70% इन रेंज है तो कहीं ना कहीं 5% हाइपोज होंगे ही हो।
Absolutely.
और आपका दूसरा क्वेश्चन क्या था, फैट डाइट्स। फैट डाइट्स, सबसे बुरी बात मुझे फैट डाइट्स की सिर्फ एक ही लगती है, देयर प्रॉमिस ऑफ क्योर। आपने जो करना है कर लो, बट प्लीज डोंट प्रॉमिस क्योर। वो झूठी आशा बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स को तोड़ देती। I'm not saying that you don't, like, as a child, like when I was small, my parents have given me everything from neem ki goli to Karela. And actually at that time Karela helped also because we didn't have glucometer. We had only urine meter, and you know Karela helps to digest, like it delays digestion. So अगर आप करेला और मैंगो इकट्ठे सीजन में आते थे तो कच्चा करेला सब्जी के साथ खाते थे और मैंगो खाते थे, पोस्ट मील अच्छी आ जाती थी। बट फर्स्ट चाइल्ड शुड लाइक इट। सेकेंड, these are only going to affect 1 or 2 units. So as a family, eat healthy. As a family, have sustainable diet. बच्चे ने स्कूल भी जाना है, कॉलेज भी जाना है, हॉस्टल भी जाना है। आप सिर्फ डोंट लिव इन दिस मोमेंट, दैट्स व्हाई फ्यूचर प्लानिंग की जरूरत। उसने पढ़ने के लिए हॉस्टल भी जाना है तो वैसी डाइट जो वो हर जगह खा सके और डिसीजन ले सके। सो दैट इज वन थिंग। फिर भी पेरेंट्स आते हैं कि वी नीड टू, वी वांट टू, तो मैं उनको ये कहती हूँ, एक बार उनसे 2 ऐसे बच्चे ले आइए जो ठीक हो गए हैं, और डोंट गिव लंप सम मनी। सो आई रिमेम्बर वन लेडी फ्रॉम वन फैमिली फ्रॉम Punjab only was calling, and that lady dietitian was charging them 1 lakh rupees for 1 year. That shit. I said, okay, थोड़ा सा झूठ बोलो, थोड़ा सा रो कि हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है, हम करवाना है। और फादर वाज वेरी आर्डेंट, मदर न्यू कि इंसुलिन चाहिए होगा। मदर्स इन दैट केस वाज आर वेरी स्ट्रांग दैट दे नो। सो मैंने उनके फादर को कहा, ठीक है, अगर आपने सब कुछ करना है, पहले 2 मांगो। वो नहीं दिए, उन्होंने नहीं दिए। कहते फिर मैम ट्राई कर लेते हैं, मेरे बच्चे की किस्मत अच्छी है। मैंने कहा ठीक है, आप उनसे कहोगे कि मैं पार्ट पेमेंट करूंगा 2000 को, कहते 2000 तो नहीं माने बट 8000 में मान गए। आई सेड ओके, अगर मैं इनको बहुत ज्यादा डांटूंगी तो ये तो मेरे से भी भाग बात करना छोड़ देंगे, क्योंकि वो डॉक्टर के पास भी छोड़ गए थे। विद इन 1 month, दूध का दूध पानी का पानी, एंड द चाइल्ड वाज बैक। देन आई सेंट टू देम टू द doctor also, and they said that you saved our 92,000 rupees.
That's interesting. आजकल इतने सारे false promises हो रहे हैं. It's been posted in our group that people are curing type 1, insulin छुड़वाइए, ये सब करिए. तो insulin once started, we have a question also in the chat box. Somebody had asked, until when the kid must be on insulin? So autoimmune type 1 diagnosis, the child has to be on insulin. The research is on. अभी एक बच्चे जो हमारा लेटेस्ट अभी सेशन हुआ था उसमें हमने यही देखा था कि the Sana Biotech and the multiple companies who are still doing research on this. Let it come with the proven results. बहुत सारे लोगों में होगा तभी वो हिंदुस्तान आएगा, तभी उसे FDA अप्रूव करेगा. So this is still at the very initial stage. So we need to be very vigilant, patientfully wait, and do not leave your insulin until your doctor suggests you. So don't do this. आप गलती मत करिए. हर्बल लाइफ, मैं सिंपल एक ही चीज बोलती हूँ कि अगर आयुर्वेदिक होम्योपैथी के वी आर नॉट अगेंस्ट, लेकिन अगर सच में इसमें क्योर होता तो इसमें इनको नोबेल पुरस्कार मिल चुका होता. आई हैव बीन टेलिंग दिस टू माय पेशेंट कि they would have got this. So still we are struggling, and definitely we'll find they are almost doing the research has been on. हो ही जाएगा, तब तक के लिए तो इंसुलिन है ना, उसको यूज करिए. We have in fact inhaled insulin also. That's also approved in type 1. अगर कोई बच्चा नहीं लेना चाहता या आप कभी बाहर हो, you can make use of those inhaled insulin.
Above 18.
Doctor,
It is
sorry?
it is for people above 18.
हाँ, so अपने डॉक्टर से बात करिए. अगर लग रहा है हाँ बच्चों के लिए तो अभी रिकमेंडेड नहीं है, they should have a good pulmonary function test. Their inhaled capacity should be good. तभी ये लेना है, नहीं तो तब तक के लिए please wait. Okay, we have a few questions in the chat box like, ma'am, can we take the long-acting insulin at night? Yes, long-acting insulin like Lantus, Glargine, or we have Tresiba that can be taken in the night, so no problem. And another comment, highs and lows are just numbers. I am not a number. 2000 needle pricks year is equal to 2000 reason. I am brave, type 1 warrior. Dr. G.D. Ramchandani. Thank you so much, sir. This is a beautiful motivation quote. कि इतने सारे decisions के बाद, इतना सब होने के बाद भी हम we are standing firmly with the community, with our people, always standing. And there's another question, how to manage sugar level when consuming outside food, especially when we go outside on weekends and holidays. My kid is 6-year-old, Shilpa. So this is for the moms. We have Japinder, you want to answer, and then we'll take your advice also in this regard.
Yeah, so first thing is nothing changes whether you are eating at home or outside when you're on holidays. You just need some planning around it, right? You should know what my child is going to eat, what would be the insulin carb ratio कि मुझे कितना देना है. So it all comes when you are knowing it, you will be easily able to manage it. और basically क्या होता है जब हम बाहर खाते हैं तो like child wants to eat everything what the entire family, मतलब कुछ भी order कर रहे हैं because holiday mode में है, तो थोड़ा सा वहां पे ये हो जाता है कि you have to have prepare and have a word in advance with your child. बच्चा, I will allow you, but it will not be like continuous munching because for us we can't give injection after half an hour or 1 hour. We have to कि एक बार आप ले लो, आप जो खा रहे हो, just let me know the plate and let me do the calculation, have it. And then also like these are the foods which are high in फैट, जो लेटर स्पाइक देते हैं, तो अगर आपको थोड़ा सा वो पता है तो आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग करोगे. हॉलीडे पे है बच्चा बहुत खूब मस्ती, अब डिपेंड्स ऑन आप किस प्लेस पर हो. अगर एक्सरसाइज बहुत कूद रहा है कर रहा है तो देन द डोज हैज टू रिड्यूस. सो ऑल रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड हाउ मच डू यू नो. सो अगेन CGM becomes another factor here because kid would not like to get pricked. तो CGM है, रीडिंग देखिए क्या खाना है उसको बोलिए एक बार आप बता दो बेटे what you want to put in the plate. Like it is the having the right proportion and the right order. So but don't do that. उसमें इतना strictness मत होइए जब हॉलीडे पे जा रहे हो बच्चे के साथ कि नहीं ये नहीं खाना ये नहीं खाना ये नहीं खाना. अच्छा बेटे हम खाएंगे सब लेकिन हम ऐसे खा लेंगे. So just ask what you want to eat, keep in the plate, do the calculation, do the maths, give the right dose. और थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे होता don't panic. You'll be able to manage it.
Yes.
So we have a cheat day on every Saturday because हम पूरे हफ्ते वो करते हैं and on Saturday we 4 of us order अपने पसंद का. So we can आज पूरे दिन में हमने पूरे हफ्ते ऐसे किया, so we enjoy and relish that whatever we order.
Yes,
So
and
that way,
moreover,
और
yeah.
हमारे पूरे खानदान में, हाँ, yes, so you have to have those cheat meal days for your child also, so that they don't feel कि हम खा नहीं पाएंगे. Like डॉक्टर सुची ने बोला था, नहीं तो बहुत rebellious हो जाएंगे, आप बहुत ज्यादा रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर रहे हो,
Absolutely.
आप पूरे ट्रिप में भी आप उनको फील करवा रहे हो कि you are different, you can't have it, you have to, no, don't create stress, that's a holiday, relax, let the child have, do some planning, involve your doctors and diabetes educators so that they can help you, okay, which place you are going, what kind of food will be there, how to, make the calculation. So I think the right team support to plan your holidays wisely will definitely going to help, like any other family goes on holidays.
And that inject anywhere also, like you're supposed to inject wherever you go.
Only one important thing is how you carry your insulin.
You
Yeah.
need to carry your insulin every time.
And that too depends, temperature क्या है, कहाँ आप जा रहे हो,
कहाँ
कैसे
जा
store
रहे हैं,
करना है.
holidays पे extra pack लेके जाइए, keep your supplies with you, keep your
Double the
glucose
supplies
levels.
actually, because I
And
recently
now,
had
yes.
that incident, पेन खराब हो गया, हम
pen
सोच रहे हैं
खराब
बच्चे
हो
ने क्या
गया.
कर दिया,
Yes.
नहीं वहां पे बच्चे का कोई गलती नहीं. So we have to be aware of lot of other things which can go wrong. It's nothing wrong with the child, nothing your calculation there, but me sometimes insulin is not working, so be mindful so that you don't get panic and don't want to spoil your trip. So
Absolutely. And these days the CGM also has become very temperature sensitive.
heat sensitive.
So recently Anju ma'am had posted how to take care of your CGM when the temperature is really going high. So use those tips, keep it cool and calm, and get it from a supply chain, especially from the cold supply chain. Is very much needed. और उसमें taping करके रखे so that the temperature doesn't go very high for the taking care of your CGM. Okay, so we are almost approaching towards end. And my question this to is Binu. Binu, अच्छा आप एक चीज बताओ जो आपको पता होना चाहिए था. One advice कि जब बच्चे को टाइप 1 डायग्नोसिस हुआ था तो उसमें एक एडवाइस जो पता होनी चाहिए थी वो बाद में पता चली, क्या ऐसी एडवाइस थी?
First thing, for every parent, what we search that there is no cure. Insulin is only treatment. So that to accept that thing takes a time. जैसे शुचि मैम ने बताया, denial stages हैं, you go here there, you waste your time going finding a cure or Ayurvedic, homeopathic. As a parent, like our doctor also told that there is no cure, but she didn't say no to us to go anywhere, but she just told us that don't stop insulin. Whatever you give anything what you want as a parent. I'll not say. And we followed that advice. So initially, I also, when he was very small, so I was being lucky in that way also, that I didn't got into that trap also, or I didn't find such type of people that they would trap me. No one told me that we will stop insulin. आपकी रुक जाएगी इंसुलिन, ऐसा किसी ने नहीं बोला मुझे. And he was so small, तो आयुर्वेदिक भी उन्होंने मना किया, as they suggest के खाली पेट देना है बच्चे को. They knew इतना छोटा बच्चा है, उसको खाली पेट कैसे दोगे आप?
हाँ, ये भी ठीक है.
नहीं दे सकते, तो they could not trap me so in that way. So maybe that was a blessing in disguise. I would say his age was so small that they would also not experiment that things. So I would say all the parents, don't experiment on your kids. Follow your doctor, follow your endo, what they say, and meet other parents. That is a big thing when parent to parent, they connect heart to heart. And they get to know that there are so many living examples. Agar cure hota to no one is happy to give insulin to their kid.
Yeah,
So it would have been in here. So that is acceptance is the key.
yes.
The sooner you accept, the
better the
you'll be
management
able.
will be. Yes, absolutely. And I simply love that आप इतना कुछ करने के बाद भी you have built up with the community, you are staying strong with the community. इतना सब challenges के बाद भी आप लोग you are still willing to help others. उनको उससे कैसे लेके आना है, सबको कैसे मोटिवेट करना है और सबको कैसे एक ही अम्ब्रेला के अंदर रखना है, that definitely requires lot of courage. पहले तो खुद का एक्सेप्टेंस हो, फिर आप लोगों को उस मोड में लेके आए कि वो उसे एक्सेप्ट कर सके. That definitely requires consistent counseling, consistent support, and always on toes. This keeps you always motivated कि हम ये एक अच्छा काम कर सके, and that gives you a lot of happiness and immense satisfaction. That's like, this is what even I feel whenever I deal with this ना, तो हाँ ठीक है, today is my day. I feel very happy कि मैं एक कुछ अच्छा कर सकी. एक काम gives you fantastic, आपकी रूह को सुकून मिलता है. That's important. Yes. So over to Riddhi. Riddhi, since we have already finished, and so your expert comment, please.
Okay, I firstly congratulate all the speakers for a fantastic, sharing, because Dr. Shuchi, you really set the tone for today evening. And I was listening very intently when you said the with was in capital WITH. विथ में हम बहुत सारे लोग जुड़े हैं, पहले पेरेंट्स जुड़े हैं, फिर हमारे साथ इतने अच्छे क्लिनिशियंस जुड़े हैं जिनकी वजह से हम अपने आप को एम्पावर्ड फील कर रहे हैं. और आप जैसे वेल एस्टैब्लिश्ड टाइप 1 लिव्ड एक्सपीरियंस से हमने शुरुआत की, एंड देन वी हैड बीनू एंड जपिंदर जी बोथ शेयरिंग देयर एक्सपीरियंसेस. आई थिंक बहुत कुछ अच्छे से कवर हुआ. एक ही चीज मैं कहना चाह रही थी कि आई वॉज डायग्नोज्ड एज एन एडल्ट, तो मैंने कभी ये पॉइंट पे इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया ऑन द पेरेंट्स जर्नी टिल आई बिकेम अ सर्टिफाइड एजुकेटर माई सेल्फ. अब जैसे मैं डेली कॉल्स पे लोगों से बात करती हूँ और पेरेंट्स की जो क्वेरीज आती हैं, तो इस पे बात करके मुझे समझ आती कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पेन दे गो थ्रू, एंड समटाइम्स वी फील मोर इमोशनल व्हाइल टॉकिंग टू देम. तो एक दो बार ऐसा भी हुआ है कि पेरेंट्स they have a very good attitude towards it already. So sometimes that also surprises you कि कितना अच्छा है. And I think just to sum up few very important key takeaway points, this I really attribute Dr. Shuchi, the science, the spirituality, and the wisdom. I think this is something which we must all remember, whether you are a parent to a child with type 1, or even for myself as an adult type 1, there are days where you feel very low energy, or maybe you feel you're not good enough. So it's a very good reminder. जितनी आपकी spirituality रहेगी, आपका सफर उतना आसान रहेगा. And I think one more thing कि you cannot manage what you can't monitor. तो आपको measure करना ही है, monitor करना ही है. इसके लिए हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि हम इसमें अभी हम lazy हो गए या आज हमारा mood नहीं है. So this is something which adults living with type 1 do. But
Yes.
this is one thing parents will never say that, because they may neglect themselves, but they can never neglect their child. So I think that's a very important reminder. And one line I would like to add on my own was that just like every clinician says कि the future of treating or managing type 1 is going to be patient-centric, correct? So I think as educators, all of us, we are all ISPE certified educators. I think one point to remember is that when we are talking to other parents, let our approach also be parent-centric. Because one size doesn't fit all, and the same approach may not work for all parents. So I think in the first few minutes of conversation, we understand where the parent is coming from. जैसे clinicians करते हैं, तो हम हाथ मिला के with our clinicians giving patient-centric and we giving parent-centric assistance and support. I think that will take us on a long, sustainable journey together. So that is all I had to add, and wonderful evening, fantastic discussions. I hope the audience really, has good takeaways. बस हार नहीं माननी है और चलते रहना है, और क्या कह सकते हैं.
That's right. Thank you so much for being with us on this Empower panel, and thank you entire team of USB for being there always as our back support. Thank you, Binu. Thank you, Japinder. Thank you, Dr. Suchi, and thank you, Riddhi. You are our rock star.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much
much.
for this
Thank you.
opportunity.
Yes,
Thank you.
bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Have a good evening. Bye.
Bye-bye.